Okay, let me show you what I'm doing here. This was just a plant shelf that had crap on it. I didn't use it a whole lot. But somebody gave me, not somebody, a friend gave me this countertop. I don't know, last year before, I've just kept a hold of it. So, what I'm gonna do, because I want a potting bench here instead of clear in the back. And the reason I did that is because it's shady back there in the morning. But this time of year, it don't matter. So I'm going to, there's this gap here. So I'm going to cut about 4 inches off the back. And that way I can reach this container perfectly. I can store my soil in there. Have room to put my trays and whatnot. Then I'm going to build a heated seed bed. Ignore all this stuff here. It'll go along there. I'll heat it with like roof cable, heating cables, like for gutters. But I'll when I go to build it, I will definitely go through it. But I think this will work out just right. So now I've just got to cut the 4 inches off the back and get it secured in. All right, I got it all secure. Oh, this one's gonna be nice. There is a lot of room. And I'm not sure if I'll just get a shallower one or just keep it as is. I mean, now I can reach, I can keep it. Now I can reach down in there, but man, that is going to be so helpful. So I've got power right here that I'll rig some kind of light so I can actually do this in the evenings. I'm excited about seed season. Hope you are too. It's coming quick. Take care.